Some mountains are growing, not metaphorically, physically. Every single year they are taller than the year before. And in this video, I'm going to give you the 10 craziest facts about this that nobody ever taught you in school. Stay until number 1, because that's the one that breaks your brain the most. Fact number 10. Everest was shorter for decades because of human error. For over 50 years, official maps listed Everest at exactly 8,848 meters. But in 2020, China and Nepal measured it together for the very first time using precision GPS. The result, 8,848.86 meters. Nearly a full meter taller than what your textbook said. It didn't grow, we were just measuring it wrong. But wait, what if it actually does grow? That's coming up next. Fact number 9. India is crashing into Asia at the same speed your fingernails grow. The Indian tectonic plate has been ramming into Asia for 50 million years. It moves 4 to 5 centimeters per year, exactly the average speed at which your fingernails grow. The result of that slow-motion collision is the Himalayas. And the crash is still happening right now. The planet is in a car crash that's been going on for 50 million years and still hasn't stopped. Fact number 8. The Himalayas grow 5 to 10 millimeters every year, and also shrink. The plates push upward 5 to 10 millimeters per year. But wind, rain and glaciers erode the rock at nearly the same rate. The Himalayas are a race between construction and destruction. That's why they're not 20 kilometers tall despite millions of years of collision. It's like blowing up a balloon with a tiny hole in it. The mountain rises, and nature trims it back at the same time. Fact number 7. There's a region that rises 1 centimeter per year, with 0 volcanoes or earthquakes. Scandinavia rises up to 1 centimeter per year. Not from tectonics, but because Ice Age glaciers crushed it for thousands of years. When the ice melted, the land started bouncing back, like a mattress after you get up. This is called isostatic rebound, and it's still happening today. The last ice age ended 10,000 years ago, and the planet is still recovering from the weight. Fact number 6. The tallest mountain in the world is not Everest, if you measure from Earth's center. Everest is the highest point above sea level. But Earth is not a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator. The volcano Chimborazo in Ecuador sits so close to the equator that its summit is the farthest point from Earth's center on the entire planet. 2,168 meters farther from the core than Everest. It all depends on how you measure. From space, Chimborazo beats Everest. Fact number 5. Earthquakes can grow a mountain in seconds. In 2015, the Nepal earthquake of magnitude 7.8 moved mountains, literally. Some parts of the Himalayas shifted several meters horizontally, and others rose or dropped centimeters in a matter of seconds. What tectonics takes years to move, a quake can do in under a minute. Imagine being a mountain and suddenly, in 60 seconds, you're 3 meters wider and 10 centimeters shorter. That's what an earthquake feels like from the inside. Fact number 4. Climate change is beheading mountains from the top. While the rock grows from below, Everest's ice cap is melting. Himalayan glaciers have lost 40% of their volume since 1975. The mountain grows in rock, but the point where you'd actually stand if you climbed it may be getting lower. What's the real height of a mountain? Where the rock ends or where the ice ends? That's a philosophical question disguised as geography. Fact number 3. Some mountains are sinking, and nobody talks about it. The Appalachians in the United States were once as tall as the Himalayas. Today, they're rolling hills. Erosion undid them over 300 million years. The Urals in Russia, at 600 million years old, are a shadow of what they once were. Every mountain has an expiration date. The Himalayas seem eternal today. In 200 million years, they could be a flat plane. Fact number 2. Mars has the tallest mountain in the solar system, and it's still growing. Olympus Mons on Mars stands 21.9 kilometers tall, nearly 3 times the height of Everest. It's a shield volcano with evidence of eruptions as recently as 25 million years ago, which is yesterday in geological time. Mars has no tectonic plates to drift the crust away from the hotspot, so the volcano just keeps piling up in the same spot. On Earth, tectonic plates move volcanoes away and stop them from growing too tall. Mars has no such break. The result, the most gigantic mountain in the entire solar system. Fact number 1. While you've been watching this video, the Himalayas grew. If you've been watching for 8 minutes, the Himalayas have grown approximately 0.000000015 millimeters. Nothing, seemingly. But over 1 million years, that's 150 extra meters. In 50 million years, the planet we live on today would be completely unrecognizable to us. Mountains don't grow for us. We're just too short-lived to.